was white. It was white at first, but I colored it. And it does have a mini rip in it, but it's okay. I like this one though. So fun to squish. So yeah. Then this technically not a squishy, but I just put it in there. It's a wishing ball, and when you open it, it's this mini character in it. Then this where you can put that up. But let me open it back. So I usually put the character right there. And close it. Wait, I forgot to do something. I had to close this part too. Then close it. So yeah. Then I got this a koala from McDonald's. I'm just gonna get that on. And it's like a mini. It's a squishmallow, and I use it as a squishy because it feels like a squishy. And I have like a lot more. And I have this one. And then I have this one was from a different one. It was my dog's toy, my puppy's toy. His name is Nugget. So yeah. Then I got the same one as this one. So yeah. Then I have this one. I like it. It's so cute. Then I have this one. Then I have this one. Yeah, I have a lot of these. And then I have this shark. Then I have this doggy number 8.